Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can skip months in FS22. So the built-in sleep mechanic lets you advance the time to next day. So this is the first thing. You can also use the time accelerator feature. You can speed up time in game time instead of skipping manually. How to increase time speed? Open the game settings menu and adjust the time scale. And then you can modify the seasonal length. If you want to skip months faster, reduce the in-game seasonal length. Steps to change the seasonal length: open the settings menu, find the seasonal length option, and then you want to change it to the minimum settings, 1 day seasons, for example. This will make each month last only 1 day. And that's something you can do. And you can revert the settings. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.